Hey, I'm back with a video. This is how to get off from the Xbox One. So we'll switch up to this one because I already fixed that. I already fixed that. Same thing. So you turn it on. Alright. And you wait. Wait till it pops up. So this is how you beat how to play the Xbox. Basically, how to get into the home screen from the Xbox screen time. So look, you do that, and you hold the controller button. Alright, so beat. That next beat, you see that? I go into the troubleshoot screen. I'll wait. Just wait. To pop up to the Xbox screen. You see that? More, okay, so it just stays like that, alright? Everyone has to wait. All you guys gotta wait 5-6 minutes. All you gotta do is, okay, so the controller is supposed to be off, so I'm supposed to turn it off. So, okay, say I turn it on. I hold the middle button, I wait till it vibrates, and if it doesn't vibrate, then you keep doing it until it does. So it vibrated, and now I click this for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and now I just take this off. And it just keeps going. And you wait, bro. You wait for at least 4 or 5 minutes, maybe even 10. It might take up to 10 minutes. But after you reset everything and do everything, is to pop this up. And then if it doesn't work and it just keeps going like this, then you do this. You do what this thing I just did. And look, it worked, bro. Just let me know. Like, get in contact with me or anything. And I'll help you guys out to get into your home screen by doing it. Thank you, and subscribe.